Amid the dense canopies of the Amazon rainforest, sunlight filters through the leaves, creating shimmering beams. Suddenly, the forest bursts into a dazzling performance. Tiny figures with bright orange hands and long, graceful tails dart from branch to branch. Their constant chattering echoes everywhere, as lively as a bustling marketplace in the treetops. These are squirrel monkeys, tiny primates, yet true masters of acrobatics in the wild. With their adorable looks and unmatched agility, they are also a vital piece of the puzzle that sustains life in tropical forests. Squirrel monkeys belong to the genus Cimeri, found mainly in Central and South America, from the lush Amazon rainforest to riverine and coastal forests. They are small in size, only about 25 to 35 centimeters long, weighing 700 grams to 1.1 kilograms. Their tails, 35 to 40 centimeters long, exceed their body length, though not prehensile like other monkeys. They are excellent tools for balance while leaping through the canopy. Their coats are a mix of colors: yellow-brown backs, white bellies, vivid orange limbs, and white faces outlined with black markings, resembling a clown's mask. Just by looking, you can see why they are the little jesters of the jungle. Playful, quirky, and full of charm. Squirrel monkeys spend nearly their entire lives in the trees, rarely descending to the ground where dangers lurk. In the canopy, they move with lightning speed, able to leap several meters. They usually travel in massive troops of 50 to 300 individuals. And during the dry season, this number may reach up to 500. The sight of a river of squirrel monkeys flowing through the treetops is a spectacle few ever forget. As omnivores, squirrel monkeys make use of almost everything the forest provides. Fruits are their primary energy source. They especially enjoy bananas, figs, and wild mangoes. When fruits are scarce, they switch to insects, spiders, bird chicks, and eggs. Sometimes, they skillfully peel bark to find plump larvae inside. These feeding habits turn them into seed dispersers of the forest, spreading plant life far and wide, while also keeping insect populations in check, maintaining ecological balance. Far from solitary, squirrel monkeys are among the most social of small primates. Within their troops, they use more than 25 distinct vocalizations: chirps to announce food, sharp calls to warn of predators, growls to deter rivals, and playful sounds when in high spirits. They also communicate through gestures and scents, touching hands, snuggling while resting, or rubbing their bodies against branches to mark territory. During the breeding season, males undergo what is known as the fattening effect, bulking up with more muscle and fat to display strength. This puffed up look gives them an edge in winning mates. A newborn squirrel monkey weighs only about 100 grams and clings tightly to its mother's back for weeks. Mothers provide most of the care, but other females sometimes help, a behavior known as alloparenting. After a few months, the young begin practicing climbing and eating fruit, though they always stay close to their mothers for safety. Despite their agility, squirrel monkeys are still prey to many predators. Birds of prey like the harpy eagle can swoop down unexpectedly. Tree-dwelling snakes lie in ambush among the leaves. Jaguars prowl the forest floor. When threatened, the entire troop may cry out in unison, creating chaos that confuses predators and helps them escape. Sadly, their greatest threat does not come from nature, but from humans. Deforestation in the Amazon has destroyed thousands of hectares of their habitat. They are hunted for the pet trade or captured for medical research. Pop culture, where squirrel monkeys have appeared in films, has unintentionally fueled illegal wildlife trafficking. If squirrel monkeys were to disappear, the rainforest ecosystem would lose a crucial link. Reduced seed dispersal, fewer new trees growing, increased insect populations, ecological imbalance. Thus, protecting squirrel monkeys means protecting the survival of South America's great forests. Squirrel monkeys, though small, embody a world of richness, agile, intelligent, emotional, and deeply connected to nature. Each time they leap through the trees, their cheerful chatter like a tiny orchestra. It is more than just the jungle's music. It is a reminder that nature must be protected, and that every species, no matter how small, deserves respect and care.